Hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. It has been a long time, but now I'm back with a new topic. Today I would like to introduce you my new specialized Allez Sprint 2022 custom road bike build. First, I have ordered the Allez Sprint frame set in the Chameleon oil tint color in size 61. After that, I have bought all other components in order to finish my road bike build. I've built my Allez Sprint with a SRAM Rival AXS eTap Group Set. The wheels are lightweight and stiff Rose R30 light disc aluminum wheels with Continental Grand Prix 5000 25mm tires. And here we have a closer look at the SRAM Rival electronical front and rear derailleur, as well as the Rival crank, chain rings and the Lock-Keo carbon blade pedals. Last but not least, we get to the handlebar. Here we have a 120mm Ritchey stem, a 44mm wide Ritchey Stream 3 World Championship Series handlebar with SRAM bar tape. That's it for the first part and introducing my specialized Allez Sprint road bike build. Would you like to see more about my road bike and my rides? Tell me your opinion in the comments below. Keep watching if you like to see me cycling, enjoy the rest of the video and see you next time.